Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself, but sometimes it needs a small push from nature. Today, let's talk about something simple, ancient, and surprisingly powerful: black seeds. Also known as Nigella sativa, these tiny black seeds have been used for centuries across different cultures. But what really happens when you use them consistently for just 1 week? Stay with me, because the changes may be more noticeable than you expect. Imagine starting your morning with a simple habit that quietly begins working inside your body. On the first day, you may not feel much. That's normal. Black seeds don't shock your system. They work gently. Inside your gut, they start calming irritation and supporting better digestion. Many people unknowingly carry low-grade inflammation in their digestive system, which leads to bloating, gas, and that heavy feeling after meals. Black seeds begin addressing this from day 1. By the second and third day, your digestion often feels smoother. Food feels lighter. You may notice less bloating, especially after meals. This happens because black seeds support healthy gut bacteria and help the body release excess gas. When digestion improves, everything else starts to improve too, including energy levels. Around day 4, many people notice a subtle but important change: more stable energy. Not the jittery kind like caffeine gives, but a calm, steady energy that lasts through the day. Black seeds contain natural compounds that support blood sugar balance. When blood sugar swings are reduced, you feel less tired, less irritable, and more focused. By day 5, your immune system begins to benefit. Black seeds are rich in antioxidants and a powerful compound called thymoquinone, which helps the body fight oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is one of the main drivers of aging, weak immunity, and chronic disease. Supporting your immune system doesn't always mean avoiding illness immediately, but it helps your body respond better and recover faster. Many people over 50 or 60 also report less stiffness in their joints by the end of the first week. This is because black seeds help reduce inflammation, which is a major cause of joint discomfort and muscle soreness. While it's not a painkiller, it supports your body's natural anti-inflammatory processes, helping joints feel more flexible and comfortable. By day 6 or 7, another change often appears: mental clarity. When inflammation and blood sugar are better controlled, the brain benefits too. People describe feeling more clear-headed, calmer, and less foggy. Sleep quality may also improve slightly, especially if digestion is no longer disturbing the body at night. Now let's talk about how to use black seeds correctly, because the method matters. The most effective and simple way is this. Take half a teaspoon of freshly ground black seeds. Mixing them with 1 teaspoon of raw honey helps improve taste and absorption. Take this once a day, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. After that, drink a glass of warm water. This helps activate digestion and allows the compounds to move smoothly through your system. Consistency is everything. Using black seeds once or twice won't do much. But using them daily for 1 week allows the body to respond. And when continued longer, the benefits often become deeper and more noticeable. It's important to be realistic. Black seeds are not magic pills. They don't replace medical treatment, but they are a powerful natural support that works with your body, not against it. If you are on medication, pregnant, or managing a medical condition, always talk to your doctor first. Sometimes the smallest habits create the biggest shifts. A tiny seed taken daily can support digestion, energy, immunity, joints, and mental clarity. Give your body 7 days and see how it responds. You may be surprised at what something so simple can do when used with patience and consistency.